It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle. Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Dukhu Spoken English Language 9, Level 2, Day 9. Topic: Asking for the toilet, a bathroom and directions. Asking for the toilet. In a private house, excuse me, is it alright if I use your lavatory? Excuse me, where is the lavatory? Excuse me, never mind, I'd like to use your lavatory, please. In public place, excuse me, where are the toilet, please? Excuse me, I'd like to use your toilet, please. Excuse me, I need to use your toilet, please. For a man, excuse me, where is the gents? Excuse me, I need to use the gents. Excuse me, never mind, I'd like to use the gents. For a woman, excuse me, where is the ladies? Excuse me, I need to use the ladies. Excuse me, never mind, I'd like to use the ladies. Asking for a bathroom. In a private house, excuse me, may I use the wash? Excuse me, could I use your bathroom, please? Excuse me, never mind, I'd like to wash my hands. In a public place, is there a washroom here? Is there a bathroom here? Is there somewhere here I can clean up? I want to wash my hands. In a hotel or guest house, you may need: why is there a shower? Why is the bathroom? Thank you so much for joining us. Have a good time. Good luck.